Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's Speed Shop. Real quick episode today. We are going to be replacing the fuel filter on my 2019 Silverado Duramax Diesel. So this will be my first time doing this. The truck's got about 17,000 miles on it, and it's due for it's down to less than 20%. I think it was like 18 last time I checked it. And I think at some point, once you get down below 10 or 5 or something like that, you get a yellow light that comes on the dash. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it done before we go on a trip here. Really, when you order the filter, they're like 20 bucks or so. Um, Looks pretty simple to do. Two O-rings you got to replace while you're under there, and we'll take you along and show you what we do. This is pretty much all you need to do. This pretty easy job. A couple of half-inch drives. This is a 36 millimeter socket to grab the end of the filter housing. I think you can also use like a 1 7/16. I think it'll work as well. I've got this like a little pick tool to help me get that small O-ring off because my big fingers won't grab it. Something to catch the whatever diesel drips. And I grabbed some paper towels and put some cardboard on the truck. I'm doing this out in the driveway today and feel like getting the truck in the garage. So I'm just gonna do it out here and just don't want to get spill any fuel on the drive. Just gonna put the socket right here on this piece here, and then turn counterclockwise, drop it, replace the two O-rings, put the new filter in, and then these I think these new trucks are a lot easier than the old ones. I believe you had to do some bleeding of the system to get it primed, where these new ones I think just turn the key on and it fills it back up and it's good to go. Okay, so all we're going to do is take the 36 millimeter socket and remove this housing. You have to be careful because as it comes down, it's going to start to drip. So we've got a drip pan under there. It's not too bad, just a little bit of diesel. A little more as we drop it off. It's off. Just as you note, the big end, when you pull this off, the big hole, that end is the part that sticks out of the filter housing. The smaller end is what goes down into the filter housing. And your new filter should have this O-ring installed and the O-ring on the top installed. So there should be two already built into the filter. You can see this filter looks pretty dirty. And can you zoom in and see that little, right there, that O-ring? So that's the first O-ring we got to replace. Actually, didn't really even need the little tool for this. I had this little pick on here, but it comes off pretty small. It's a very, very small little O-ring. Comes off pretty easy. And then new one out of the bag. And one just rolls right into place. Then we got to replace the larger one that's on the housing. Again, moves very easily. Make sure it seats down into that groove good. That should be good to go. We just got to put our new filter in. Again, the small end goes down. Kind of snaps right into the housing. Plug that up. That's it. So now we're just going to start or prime the pump or prime the filter. Just turn the truck on. You can hear it filling. There, it just stopped. All right, so last up we got going here, we're going to reset, and I assume this works just like the oil change. I assume if I push the little check mark. Or not. Oh, there we go. Got arrow over. Arrow over. So I'm on check mark, or on the filter life. Go over to that. No. I would assume that would be a maybe it won't do it while it's on. I just need to turn it to accessory. Oh, there it goes. When I shut it off, it reset then, so this is taking a second. So there we go. That is how you change your fill filter on a Duramax diesel.